If you're in Central Texas and you wake up hungry for barbecue, it is a short drive in almost any direction for some happiness. Today I took off west of Austin to Spicewood, and this is Opie's. The minute you step out of the truck, your nose tells you you've come to the right place.
Okay.
So you're set?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and you've been here at Opie's for how long?
About 10 or 12 years.
Yeah? What's the best thing about Opie's?
And all the employees and the customers.
Yeah.
The employees have to stick around, and lots of the customers return, and we all know them by name, and we love having them.
Well, this is our favorite spot. What would you say is the most popular thing y'all sell?
I have to say brisket. Brisket and on the side, potato tot casserole. Definitely.
Yeah. Brisket, tater tot casserole. Got it. That was outstanding. And I never leave empty-handed, because this is going to go home with me, go in the freezer, and there will be happiness for days to come.